everyone, I'm Mindy and welcome back to my channel. Yep, still wearing the same shirt as last night. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a card using the Elegant Cross die. This creates a gorgeous die cut cross that has some beautiful detail in it that I can't wait to show you. I'm also going to be doing a little stenciling in my scene. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's a look at my card project for today that I will be creating for you using that elegant cross in the front. I have this beautiful sunburst behind it and then finished off with the Easter word and shadow die. I'm starting off by ink blending my scene. So this is using the Sunshine Stencil from Gina K Designs, and I'm placing this on top of my glass mat that I'm using from Simon Says Stamp. I'm holding the stencil down over some heavy white cardstock using my magnets, and I'm blending on sweet corn ink using my blending brush. I am covering the entire background with that stencil. Now I thought the white was just a little bit too white that was in the background there. So I picked up a little bit more ink using the blending brush, and I'm just going to lightly go over that entire background. So it's just going to kind of dim that white a little bit so it's not so stark and in your face. Then here's a look at the Elegant Cross die from Gina K Designs. So you have two pieces to it. This one piece is the detailed piece. The other piece is your backer piece. So I went ahead and cut two of the detailed pieces off screen, and that was out of white cardstock, and my backer piece is going to be out of ivory cardstock. Before I add anything to the front of my card, I'm going to die cut this panel out using the Master Layout 2. Now normally I used the stitched one out of that set, but this time I'm using the plain edges. Then I'm going to bring that over to my splat box. I have some liquid Stardust here that I'm just going to put a couple drops down on a slick surface and mix that with a couple drops of water. And I will pick this up with my paintbrush and splatter this over the background. I just really wanted to add some sparkle, and the liquid Stardust has a lot of sparkle to it. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to set it off on the side to dry, and I'm going to work on gluing some of my dies together, starting with my cross. Now I have the Connect glue inside of these mini glue bottles. They're just really fine tip, and I added the liquid glue around the outer edge and at the inside edge, maybe a couple dots in between, and I have two layers layered together. Now this is the Easter word and shadow die. So my shadow is cut from white cardstock and my Easter word die is cut from wild lilac. I really wanted this to say Easter blessings, but I couldn't find a sentiment strip that said blessings. So I'm going to use the mixed messages sentiment sheets. Now there are some available. They may be out of stock at the moment, but there is a set that was released at the same time as this Elegant Cross, but anything would work here. I just trimmed one down so it's going to say Easter wishes, and then I added foam squares to the front half and the back half of my Easter word die, and then tape runner in the middle so that it is going to be flush across the front of my cardstock, since I did layer up that cross with a couple pieces of cardstock. So not only is this Elegant Cross a gorgeous design, but I think it can be used for many other purposes outside of Easter. This could be confirmation, baptism, wedding, sympathy, anything like that I think would really work great. So you just have to think outside of the Easter holiday for it. I hope you enjoyed today's card project for today. I will have all of the supplies listed down below in the video description and over on my blog as well. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed today's video, and be sure to hit the bell notification so you are notified when new videos are posted. Here are a few other videos I think you might enjoy.